All right, y'all, let's get to work on these charts. The only news event that I saw for this week that we need to be concerned with is the Fed interest, the NFP, non-farm payroll on Friday. Outside of that, I didn't see much to be concerned about. So we're going to go ahead and just get on into these here charts and see what they're talking about here. Give me a second, sorry. So let's go to overview. All right, there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll through and let you know if I see anything that's kind of interesting to me. A lot of these, as you can see, they're just chop, 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 up and down, up and down, up and down. But we did go crazy on the Forex market, man. We really went stupid on that market, 15-5 last week. And if I would have let some of the trades run longer, we would have been way, way, way even up for even further. But, you know, profits are profits. The gold market was a little janky. Euro USD, I think this is probably going to push up to the upside. Let me check the daily. This one, I would anticipate an upwards move. It's created a strong support level. I'm not saying it won't pull back, which is what I prefer, and then push to the upside, but that's what I think is going to happen this week. Hopefully we get a retest on this one on Euro Swiss and then go for a sale on that one. This one, this angle pattern right here is one of my favorites. Creates this little false channel here. And this pair is the EG, Euro GBP. Creates a channel, and then you get your breakout, which you see started to happen, and then that should drop it to a double bottom down here. So I am anticipating a fall back to the bottom. You can see on the daily, this is in the downtrend pulled up, so it should be dropping. So EG is a sale for real. For real. Very nice one. Hopefully it'd be nice if it gets a little short pull up and then continue to the downside, but EG is a sale. Nothing there until it retests, in my opinion, and hopefully it'll pull back, but if not, it has already created a higher low. Here's a low, here's a higher low, so this one may go up. This one may pop to the upside. Not sure. Okay, let's keep looking. Buying to the upside first. Upside, definitely heading up. Buy opportunity, and that'll confirm this downtrend on EG. Because if the G pairs are heading up, that means Euro GBP is heading down. Okay, this one is sitting on the strong support level, as you can see on the Fibonacci is sitting on the 61.8 exactly. This is GBP NZD, so this one may do a bounce. We'll keep an eye on it. Nothing there. That one had a major drop. This one is creating. It can go either way because, as you can see, it's creating that SpongeBob square head that I always taught y'all about. That's, you know, right here. See that SpongeBob square head? Normally that's a continuation pattern. So it's an upward trend, consolidates, and then breaks out of this to the upside. So for me, I'm leaving that alone. GBP Swiss, I still think that one has potential to go to the upside. See, like this one did, it was consolidating and then it starts to push upward. Okay, so it could stop there or it could go higher. I don't know. Now this is an interesting setup. I hope that it will push higher a little bit and retest this level up here anywhere in this red zone. This is NZD CAD, push it a little bit higher, retest back up into this red zone right here, and then go for the smasher. Okay, nothing there. Nothing there. Pull up to the drop on that one. Pull up on the drop means hopefully it'll pull up first and then drop down further. Same with this one, retrace and then drop to the downside. Okay, yep, that's what I look for. A retrace, pull up, and then a drop. Up and then down. Okay, and that's that. All right, you guys, so that's the end of the video. I don't have much others to talk about. For those who have been hitting me up, by the way, a lot of you guys, if you're wondering why I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately, I'm actually working on something else, another huger project. And if I can get this actually done, it's going to be a game changer. So I'm quietly working behind the scenes. But in the meantime, a lot of you guys have been sending me in, like somebody sent me in a message saying, hey, because of the Easy MT5 group membership with all the access to all these and any more that will be coming out, They will be just loaded up here, no extra cost as part of the membership. But somebody sent a message saying, hey, when they combined the Ocean Wave and Simplicity together, they said that was a complete game changer. And guys, keep in mind, like for an example, Parallel Universe for the futures market, that's my ultimate favorite. And, for the amount that we're charging a month for you to have access to all these, all you need to win is one trade to pay for the monthly membership. And then after that, it's all platinum into your pockets. So, don't be cheap with if you need tools, because this is where some of you guys, you just want everything for free and you keep floating around with janky trading systems and, whatever. I mean, do what you want to do, but it's your choice. But for me, I prefer to invest into things that I need for my business and then use it as a write-off. So if you need some good trading tools, whether for the MT4, MT5, or for TradingView, this is the spot. Go here to Easy MT5 and you get access to all these trading systems plus the, anything else that we release into the future, which we just released about a month ago, an update on Parallel. Then we released this one, this one, this one. So it was 4 of them that we released this last month that passed. So what we do is we do a little cool off period after we release several trading systems. Because we don't want to, and we just don't want to overwhelm you with too many free ones up front, and then you never got a chance to actually test and play with the ones for at least a month or two to test and find out which one is going to be the best fit for your trading style. So that's where that comes in. For me, the misdirector and parallel, both of them are breakout indicators. So these are very important to me. Until I built these, I was actually, struggling a bit, good here and there. But to make myself consistent when I built these for myself, and then others had said, man, these were game changers. Somebody said they have not won so many trades back to back to back until they got a hold of some of these trading tools such as Parallel and so forth. So if that's your thing, do it. All right, now let's move on. If you want to be copied on our trades, like I said, we just smashed 15 wins, 5 losses, and it could have been almost 17 wins and 5 losses, but I just stopped trading. And my group did too. We just, after we hit a certain number, we said, hey, enough is enough. 20 trades, 15 wins, 5 losses. Let's stop right here. And, that's good enough for the group. And we ended the week, right? So if you want to get copied on our trades, then you want to go to supereasycopycat.com. If you want the trading tools, you go to easymt5.com. for MT4, MT5, and TradingView indicators. And if you want to trade live with Miss Jenny and get this free trading indicator right here, you can sign up. You can play this video and see what the breakout indicator for the futures market. It comes with your membership, so you can check that out, guys. And then right here, the New York session is for trading live with Miss Jenny. And if you want to trade the agent session, that'll be me, where I send out my trade alerts. So if you're a person who already knows how to trade the futures market and you want just some trade alerts for the agent session, Tokyo specifically, then here's for you. If you want the New York session and you like the New York session, or you want education to trade live with a coach, then the New York session is going to be the game changer for you. Either way it goes, you get this free indicator, okay? And that's at xfutrix.com. Peace and hair grease, and I'll talk to you guys this week.